paid for.
Ooh, lots of candy canes.
Ew, look how big my face is.
Ooh.
Which one's mine?
Hold on, buddy. Open your stocking.
Ooh.
Okay, which one?
Nothing else in my stocking. But what is this?
I think those are tattoos.
Ooh. Hey, this is mine. Oh, this is mine.
Eva.
Oh my God, Ava!
How do we get him out? Are we allowed to
What
take
is
it out?
that?
It's a birdie. It's like it's almost exactly like the one that Natalie has.
Yeah, we got a pet pony again! We got a pet pony again! Okay, now I need to open mine.
Can I feel her?
Whoa!
She's a little bit startled right now from all the noise. I wouldn't let him bring her out.
Whoa! Two people complain!
Joshy.
Yeah, but Ava, look, two people complain, you and me.
Cool.
What is it?
Oh, it's a battle thing.
Whoa.
Oh, robot battle.
I can't believe it.
Yeah.
Did you hear that?
She did. She said hello.
She said hi. Hi. I'm opening my tiniest present. Where did my tiniest present go?
There's a whole bunch of them.
Oh, there's the tiny present.
Oh! Holy cow! Oh my, Mama, look!
It's a Nerf gun with a target, Josh.
Oh, yeah. Ava, look, you and me can practice.
Mommy!
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
I didn't even ask for it.
That's beautiful.
I didn't even ask for this, Josh. I didn't even ask. Whoa! A Lego set! Yeah! Ooh. You want to hold my bird? Josh, do you want to hold
Are
it?
you going to open your present?
Yeah.
You can hold the gun a little bit.
You asked for a bottle.
You asked for a violin, huh?
Yeah, maybe he gave me one.
Wow.
Mama!
Wow, look at that.
Can you open this, Mommy? I can't get this. I can't open it till it's starting. I can't. I have no idea how to get out.
Shoot, look cool.
There's something in this, but I have no idea.
Daddy? It's Legos.
What is it?
It's a Lego book.
Wow, show Mama. So pretty.
Here, let me see.
I'm keeping all the box things in boxes. I want to do that. All my boxes.
You're just like tearing through these, aren't you?
I'm starting with my smallest ones. Oh, and Mama, there's something I want you to open right now, okay? There's something I want you to open right now.
Whoa, it's nice.
Wow. Ooh, look at Carriage. That's cool, Josh.
I can get one of my Lego men and put them in.
Yeah.
Look up this
Hold
one.
on, I think
I'll
that
wait
says
for
Ava
tomorrow.
and
Well, I want
Josh.
you to do it.
I think that says Ava and Josh.
Let
so
me
you
see
have
it.
to wait.
Let's see it.
Yeah, it's an Ava and Josh.
Let's do that one last.
Yeah.
Because we both get to open it.
The one that has Ava and Josh on it is
It's a box.
Another box. Good things come in tiny boxes.
what is this?
That's very, I like that. Pretty. Ooh,
Wait, what does it say?
it says fierce.
You're gonna be so decked out.
A lot of cars, buddy.
Oh my god, there's more wheel cars. Ooh, I get more Hot Wheels. Ooh, I get more Hot Wheels. And look how big the skateboard is.
I know. You can sit on that and ride it down the hill out front.
I know, Mama. This is the best Christmas I
said
ever
my
had.
Yeah.
Joshie. Legos.
You know what that is, Eva?
I got one for last Christmas, I know.
It's a Spirograph set.
I know, I got one of these for last Christmas, remember?
Oh. You know what that is?
What?
That's
I
a
can't see it.
transformer that you build like that.
You can build it like
I
that
think
or
she's
that.
thirsty.
I get so much stuff for Christmas.
Oh,
Joshie! This is just for me.
it's really heavy.
Look how big my thing is.
Is it?
Yes, it's what? Woo! Let's see. Let's.
Oh, that's very pretty.
Oh, that's a gorgeous box.
Santa already started it for me.
Yeah. Wow, Josh.
Ah! Is that mine or something?
For both of you.
Oh, look what it is.
Josh, your turn. Let me see.
Oh my god, this is like so heavy. Wait, let me see.
You're gonna have your whole living room full of Hot Wheels. That's so
This
cool.
is what I always
Ava,
wanted.
Santa figured if you got all that jewelry, you needed a jewelry box, huh?
Yeah.
This is what I always wanted. I have so much stuff. Look.
Look at that pile, Josh.
I think this is more Legos.
How do I do this, Mommy?
Yep, I'm right. It is
I
more
need
Legos.
scissors.
It is more Legos. A Ninjago. There's so much Ninjago stuff.
Cool.
That's a cool
You got a
I'm
lot.
gonna set up two things.
My jewelry box right now because I
And
don't
guess
know.
what? This goes
You got
to
some more presents.
Mama. Guess what?
Oh, Mommy,
Do
you
you
don't have to
have
worry about getting a table.
Guess what?
I
Do you
know.
think these two are apart?
Mama, you want to hold my bird?
Huh?
No,
You want to hold my bird?
and get
What?
together.
When I'm done videoing here, okay?
Okay.
Does
I
that one
saw
say
my
your name on
stuff.
it? Does that one say your name on it? Oh, okay.
This one says my name.
Ooh.
Where? I don't know what it is.
Wow, you can build your own crystal things.
What's this thing?
Show them all.
Whoa! Whoa!
That'll be cool. That's a science project.
Get the gold! Yeah, I always wanted this!
And it's made out of Legos.
Oh!
Oh, it's a Skylander, huh?
Oh, yeah.
But it's made out of Legos.
Oh!
He's challenging Uncle Dan in the amount of Legos he has.
I think you got all yours, buddy, didn't you? You opened yours pretty fast. I think that's Ava's.
Let me see.
Ava was very distracted with her jewelry over here.
I know.
Tattoos.
A bunch! You can do them on anybody, even me.
Julie
all like glitter.
Woo! It says Ava.
You're gonna be so
Not
glittery.
just Ava. You opened yours very quickly, buddy. Is there any under that tree from Ava to you? Or are we gonna wait just a second? Let Ava finish opening hers. She's
It's
only got a
something
couple more.
squishy.
Two.
Ew. Ew, it's squishy.
It's in this.
It's in pot. You could add the pot. Maybe flat, because the pot is flat. Careful! Maybe something glass. I asked for a tea set. Tea set?
It's some sort of picnic basket.
It sounds like
What's in it?
Open it.
Hmm.
Open it.
That's a cute
Gotta
basket.
take the wrapper thing off. You wanna open it?
Mm-hmm.
I got so much stuff in the
That's
pile.
here, Ava, look.
And what if I took it off? Me and Ava. Don't help me.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
This is my pile. Oh.
Ooh.
I can have picnics.
Here, the picnic tea set.
Ah, come on.
Is this? Oh yeah.
Well, you got a couple more over there yet.
Okay. It's in a box.
Wait, Josh, not yet. I'm still
No,
opening my
I'm just
present.
giving you. Let's see how much stuff comes in. Wait, ow. Oh.
It's in a box.
A tiny one. Oh, another bracelet. Maybe another bracelet. Maybe there's another bracelet. Maybe it's another bracelet.
Man, those elves did some amazing wrapping.
So,
I got no butt. Maybe it's another thing. A jewelry. Yep, it's another thing of jewelry.
that's pretty.
Two
That's
things.
very pretty. You can really start your jewelry box, huh?
I have so much Legos for some
You
reason.
do have
Got
a
a
lot
couple
of
more things over there.
I have a lot of Legos to build now.
You do. That'll keep you busy.
I can't